I have been growing flowers in my garden for several months, and the yield has been high. Do you know why? Because I chose the right box. If you want to plant vegetables like lettuce, carrot, and spinach, I recommend you this 4-8-2 feet garden bed. Select this kind of planting box with moderate depth and size. And the plants that grow will bring the unexpected superiors. Its core advantage lies in the galvanized metal construction, durable yet flexible, with rust and corrosion-resistant coating. 2 feet in height featuring the open bottom design, making it easier to fill the plants in bed. The way we design a exterior can withstand the weight of the soil, making early planters stable and like collapse. If you're a beginner gardener and you want to start with a relatively simple crop planting, this one would be a great choice. With top-notch quality gardening becomes a breeze.